Hi, I am Cliff. In this video, I will show you how I have configured the Fluent Support plugin on my WordPress site. This is the setup I use on my own website and in the website package I deliver to my clients. If you are looking for a practical and effective way to configure Fluent Support, stay with me and learn how you can do it too. Let's go in my WordPress. Now I am in my WordPress. The first thing you need to do if you don't have Fluent Support active, you need to go in Plugins, Add New, and search for Fluent Support. You need to click in Install Now after Active. After that, go back in your Fluent Support setting. Let's go to configure the global setting of Fluent Support. Click in Setting. Now you are going to configure everything. Okay? First, I would like to show you the dashboard. This is the dashboard of Fluent Support. You can see it is very clear, it's very good. Okay, now let's go back again in setting. In this moment, I'm going to show you how I have configured my Fluent Support plugin. This is the pro version of Fluent Support. If you don't have the pro version, you need to get it. If you are our client, you can go in your dashboard of client, the nipple launch, click in plugins include with nipple launch. After, go to Fluent Support Pro. You need to click to download the plugin in your computer. Once it's downloaded, you need to go back in your WordPress, click in Plugin, Add New, and Upload Plugin, choose File, select Fluent Support. After that, you need to install the Fluent Support Pro. Yet, I got the Fluent Support installed yet. Is for this reason I'm not going to click and install now. Now, let's go back to Fluent Support setting. We are going to configure the global setting. You need to have a page for the portal page. You can create a page named Support Portal. For example, if you want to create a page, you need to go in Page, Add New, and create a page. Okay? Once it's done, click here and select the page you create. In my case, is Fluent Support. Now, this message for non-login user is default. If you want, you can change this message. After that, disable public ticket interaction. It's just for client. In accepted file type, select photo and PDF. Max file size, select true. In maximum file upload, select 3. Enable Fluent Summary in admin bar. Enable drive mode. Enable agent feedback rating. And after that, you need to click and save. Now it's time to go in ticket tags. If you want to have ticket tag, you need to click in Add New, give it a name and a description. In my case, I don't use it in this moment. After that, click in Ticket Form Configuration. Now, you need to enable knowledge base suggestion on ticket creation form. And after that, you need to click Docs. To get this option, you need to have BetterDoc active in your website, the BetterDoc plugin. Before, in my channel of YouTube, I made a video about BetterDoc. If you want, you can go to see this video after. Now, let's continue. Who can access customer portal? Any logging user. From label customization, you need to let this default. If you want, you can change everything here, but I use it like this. And after that, you need to click in Save. Let's go to Custom Field. In this moment, I don't use custom ticket field. For you to when you get NIP launch, you can have the same configuration. But if you want to add new field, just click it, add new field, and select what you want to do. For example, we got this option in the field. You can select everything you want and configure it after. Let's click here. Now, products. Products is very important. You can create one here, create new, give it a name after a description, and you can get something like this. In the package I give you in NIP launch, you have the same option, Starter Pro, Starter and Pro. You can click here to change the name and the description, and if you want, you can delete it. Now let's go for support staff. Here I have three users. I have my name, Cliff Million, and Launch Nippy Launch. If you want to add new people or staff, click in New. You can put the email name, first name, last name, and the title of job. In permission, you can select all or just select a few. In restriction, you can check it to restrict these people. In this moment, I'm going to click here. Now, let's go to Fluent CRM integration. You can integrate Fluent CRM in your website. In the future, I'm going to do a video about it. If you don't subscribe in our channel, do it now because you need to have a notification to this video too. Now, enable Fluent CRM integration and select subscribe. After that, you need to have a list. It's optional, but if you want, you can get people in a list fast. After, choose a tag. In my case, I use Fluent Support user and click and save. Incoming web hook. Now you can create a web hook. This is all the information you have to create a web hook. Let's go in notification integration. You have about 4 integration. You have Telegram, you have Slack, you have Discord, and you have Twilio. You can configure everyone. For example, for Telegram, you need to put your token, your default group chat in, and click the notification event you want. And after that, you can put a message. This is optional. And enable Telegram notification. After that, you need to save Telegram setting. For the same for Slack, you need to put all the info here to configure. After, you can check enable Slack notification, ticket async notification, and enable replay ticket from Slack. After that, you need to save Slack setting. The same for Discord. Configure everything, and the same for Twilio. Put your Twilio account seed, Twilio token, Twilio WhatsApp number, and select the notification event. And don't forget to enable Twilio integration. And after that, you need to click and save Twilio. Now, let's go for file upload integration. You have 3 file storage settings. By default, we have WordPress. After that, you can use Google Drive and Dropbox. I love use default WordPress storage. In auto close setting, this option gives you the power to close automatically ticket. For example, if we enable this option, we got the option to inactive day for ticket that you want to close automatically. You can click do not close if customer is waiting for a response. For example, close only if tickets are in the following tags. You need to put a tag here. Do not close if tickets are in the following tags. You need to put your tags here and check close ticket silently. No email or event will be fired. Don't close bookmark ticket. And if you want, you can click add custom response when closing the ticket. But don't forget, you need to configure everything you need here, okay? After that, go and ticket importer. Now you have the option if you use other service, for example, Scott, FreshDeck, and Zendesk to migrate your ticket. The only thing you need to do is click and import ticket. And now you need to put your app ID, app secret, and authorization code. After that, you need to click and import and everything will be imported. Don't forget, a lot of this option is available in the Pro version. If you are our client, just go in your dashboard client and manipulate and get it. If you are not our client, you need to go and manipulate, click and get started, put your info and click and get manipulate. Okay? The same for fresh days. You need to click and import ticket, put your fresh days domain in API key and click and import. The same for Zendex. You need to click and import ticket, put your Zendex domain, email address in API key and click and import. ReCAPTCHA. You need to configure global ReCAPTCHA setting if you want to use it inside of Fluent Support. Let's go in integration status. Now, it's all integration you have inside of Fluent Support. For example, we have WooCommerce, we have Lifter, LMS, we have Slack, we have Pay Membership Pro, we have Tutorial LMS, we have Telegram, we have Fluent CRM, we have Fluent Form, Body Boss, Discord, Whitelist Member, Easy Digital Download, Restrict Contact Pro, Better Doc, WhatsApp, Paymatic, LearnDash, LearnPress, Google Drive, Dropbox, MemberPress, Google ReCAPTCHA, and Fluent Board. It's a lot integration you have in the Pro version. Now let's go in OpenAI integration. If you want to use OpenAI integration inside Fluent Support, you need to put your access code here and select the model you want to use inside of your Fluent Support plugin. After that, you need to click in Verify OpenAI. In this moment, I'm very sure you have all your configuration done. It's now to go in dashboard. This is the dashboard we have. After that, I would like to go in tickets. Now, you can see all the tickets you have inside the Fluent Support. If we click in all ticket, you can see all the ticket. My ticket, you can see all the ticket in your name or your email name. On that ticket, you can see all it. Bookmake ticket, the same. And if we go and report, you can have a report for all your ticket. Report for personal report, agent report, product report, business boxes report, and activity report. For example, in Save Replay, if you want, you can save message here to answer very quickly. You can give it a title and put your content here and select the product. In this moment, I have the product starter in Pro. After that, you can click and save. For activities, you can see all your activities here in this page. For businesses inboxes, here you can create business inbox. If you click here, you can see the option to give a name to inbox name and create and support inbox email. After that, you need to click in add business inbox. You can see it now. I have a business name here with a business name inbox. It's very easy to create. Workflow. You can click here in workflow and you can create new workflow. In this moment, I have just two workflow, one in draft and one publish. You can click here in add new to create a workflow Just give it a name and you can choose workflow tab. If manual, you can use it manually to execute in automatic. And after that, you need to click in continue. For example, I'm going to show you the automatic agent assist. Now you can see the options. I have a name here. The trigger and condition is one ticket creation. Select product equal a starter product or product equal a pro product and assign to an agent or people. After that, you need to click assign agent and use a name. For example, I can use Cliff Million, my name, and or Nipulage. This is the option. Here, you can give a action name and save it. It's very easy and powerful. Now, let's go back in global setting. This is all the setting we do. Click in dashboard is all about the configuration, all you can know. If you have a question, leave a comment below. And if you are our client, you can go in your dashboard of client, click and plugin include with Nipulage and get the Fluent Support Pro. If you are not our client, you need to click and get started, put all your information and click and get Nipulage. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Cliff and I will see you in the next video.